You have been told the same fitness advice your entire life. Walk more. Count your steps. Hit 10,000 steps a day and everything will be fine. Doctors say it. Fitness magazines repeat it. Friends and family mean well when they say it. But what if that advice is incomplete? And what if, after 60, it is quietly holding you back instead of helping you? Here is something most people never hear. A major study published in 2023 by researchers at the University of Missouri uncovered a surprising truth. Adults over the age of 60 who performed specific seated strength exercises improved their functional strength by 27% more than people who only walked. 27%. That difference is not small. That difference decides whether you can stand up easily or struggle. Whether you can lift your grandchildren or avoid it out of fear. Whether you stay independent or slowly begin relying on others. And there is a reason this is not talked about. An entire industry depends on walking being marketed as the ultimate senior exercise. Shoe brands, fitness trackers, treadmills, step counters. Billions of dollars are made every year selling the idea that walking alone is enough. But orthopedic surgeons have known for years that walking, while good for the heart, does very little to stop muscle loss. After age 30, your body begins losing muscle naturally. This process is called sarcopenia. Every decade, you lose roughly 3 to 5% of your muscle mass. By the time you reach your 70s, up to 30% of your strength may already be gone. Walking cannot stop this process. Targeted resistance movements can. A 2022 Harvard Medical School study followed more than 2,000 seniors for 18 months. One group walked regularly. The other group performed seated resistance exercises. Same age, similar health, the walking group lost muscle. The seated exercise group gained muscle. Completely different results. And the most shocking finding came from one specific movement that we will share at the end of this video. That single exercise increased bone density by 19% in adults over 65. Surgeons are now prescribing it to patients recovering from hip replacements because it works better than many traditional therapy programs. Before we begin, tell us your age and where you are watching from in the comments. We read and reply to every single one. Now let us begin. Number 5. Seated calf raises. This is one of the most ignored exercises, yet skipping it slowly steals your independence. Seated calf raises look almost too simple. You sit down and lift your heels. But this movement strengthens the calf muscles that act as a pump for blood circulation in your legs. Every time your calves contract, they push blood back up toward your heart. Without strong calves, blood pools in your lower legs. This leads to swelling, heavy legs, varicose veins, and a higher risk of blood clots. A 2021 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology examined seniors with circulation problems. Those who performed seated calf raises 3 times per week improved blood return efficiency by 41% in just 12 weeks. Their swelling reduced. Their legs felt lighter. Their clot risk dropped. Walking does use the calves, but not in a focused way. Seated calf raises isolate them and force them to work. To perform this exercise, sit in a sturdy chair with feet flat on the floor. Lift your heels as high as possible while keeping your toes down. Hold for 2 seconds. Slowly lower your heels back down. That slow lowering builds strength faster. Start with 15 repetitions. Build up to 3 sets of 25. When it becomes easy, place a book or weight on your thighs. This exercise is safe even for people with knee or hip issues and can be done daily. Many people notice improvement in leg comfort within 2 weeks. Before we move on, if this information is helping you, like the video and subscribe so more seniors can benefit. Number 4. Seated knee extensions. This exercise strengthens the muscles that allow you to stand up, climb stairs, and get out of a car. Your quadriceps weaken faster than most muscles as you age. A University of Vermont study found adults over 60 who avoided leg strengthening lost 16% of thigh muscle in 5 years. Those who did seated knee extensions gained strength instead. Walking barely activates the quadriceps on flat ground. Seated knee extensions force the thigh muscles to lift the leg against gravity. Sit tall in a chair. Extend one leg straight out. Hold for 3 seconds while squeezing the thigh. Slowly lower over 4 seconds. Switch legs. Do 12 repetitions per side. Complete 3 sets. Focus on squeezing the muscle. Studies show this mind-muscle connection increases strength gains significantly. Once it becomes easy, add ankle weights or resistance bands. Strong quadriceps protect your knees and slow arthritis progression. Number 3. Seated hip marches. Weak hip flexors are one of the biggest causes of falls in older adults. These muscles lift your legs when you walk. When they weaken, your feet barely clear the ground, increasing trip risk. A Mayo Clinic study found hip flexor weakness was the strongest predictor of falls in adults over 60. Falls change lives. 1 in 4 seniors falls each year. Many never fully recover. Seated hip marches strengthen these muscles safely. Sit tall near the edge of your chair. Lift one knee toward your chest. Hold 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Alternate legs. Do 20 total repetitions. Complete 3 sets. Move slowly. Avoid swinging. This exercise also improves balance and prepares the body for faster recovery after joint surgery. Number 2. Seated resistance band rows. Pulling strength keeps your posture upright and your spine supported. Weak back muscles lead to hunching, breathing difficulty, neck pain, and higher fall risk. Walking does nothing for these muscles. A 2021 rehabilitation study showed seniors performing seated rows improved posture and reduced pain dramatically compared to walking alone. Sit with feet flat. Loop a resistance band around your feet. Hold the ends. Pull your elbows back. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Hold 2 seconds. Slowly release. Do 15 repetitions. 3 sets. Strong back muscles protect your spine and improve confidence in daily movement. Now the most important exercise. Number 1. Sit to stand squats. This movement predicts longevity. Studies show people who cannot rise from sitting without assistance have a much higher mortality risk. Sit to stand squats strengthen every major lower body muscle. They directly train the movement you perform daily. Research shows this exercise can increase bone density, reduce fracture risk, and dramatically improve independence. Start seated. Feet slightly wider than hips. Arms crossed. Lean forward slightly. Stand up fully. Pause 1 second. Lower slowly over 4 seconds. Start with 10 repetitions. Progress to 3 sets of 15. When ready, add lightweight or slow the descent further. Perform every other day. Within weeks, daily tasks feel easier. Walking has value, but it is not enough. Targeted seated strength training preserves muscle, protects bones, prevents falls, and maintains independence. You do not need a gym. You need a chair and commitment. Start today. Which exercise will you try first? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.